Hello guys, how's it going? AlexTheGrumpyOne here. I hope you're well today. I've got a quick video for you today on the Scirocco. So all we're going to do today is remove the original badges, the chrome ones. I'm going to show you how to do it, and I'm going to replace my ones with the black badges that I got here. I'm going to put the link in the description below for you to get some if you're interested, and obviously I'm going to show you how to do it. It's quite easy, to be honest. All you need, guys, is a hair dryer, a good old hair dryer. I wouldn't use the heat gun, to be honest, or if you're using it you have to be very careful because you don't want to overheat this area and damage the paint. So we're going to be careful with this, not get too hot. And then all you need is like credit card or plastic trim tool just to pry it off afterwards once it's hot enough, and a bit of brake cleaner to wipe everything off, and job done, guys. Obviously, like I said, I'm going to put a link in the description below for some badges if you're interested. And yeah, don't forget obviously to give us a like and subscribe, guys, and comment below to let me know if you enjoyed the video in the end. Right, so just to show you quickly, this is the badges I'm going to be fitting on there today. So the small one is for the back. Got a little protective tape there they had to remove in order to get obviously to the glue at the back there, and the locators there as well, same as the genuine ones. So obviously let's start by removing the original one. Right, so let's get the hairdryer on. Getting hot, so let's blow it for a couple of minutes on that. Get it filmed nice and warm, and once it's warm enough you can start sliding the plastic tool under it. Starting to go in. There you go, that lifts it up already. Lovely. Just a bit of heat, as you can see, that has come off now. Right guys, so like I said, if you use a plastic tool you can scrape most of that glue off. Just make sure you don't scratch the bonnet. My one has been resprayed in the past, and I can see that in a few places hasn't been done well because the paint come off in some bits there, as you can see. Right, so I cleaned my one as much as I could. Unfortunately, when they resprayed the bonnet, I think they reused the original badges but put some glue on them because you can see it's obviously all uneven, and it reacted to the paint, and some of the paint bubbled and obviously cracked now, as you can see. So yeah, the original one does look like it had a lot of glue on it. So I've tried to clean as much as I could. Obviously use the brake cleaner as well to wipe it all off afterwards. And before you obviously take the protective tape off, just try it on there, see if it locates in the holes properly, and make sure obviously you don't mess it up. Just try it on like that first, make sure you know where you're gonna sit. Like I say, it has got a couple of them 3 holes there for them to locate, so you can't really go wrong. Just make sure obviously you put it straight like that when you take the tape off. Right, so remove the protective tape off, and now obviously please be careful, make sure it's sitting in the right place, guys, and we're ready. I can feel them locating before the tape comes on. That's it, it's the right place, and stick it on there. So you have to hold it on. That's why I say it's important to clean it with the brake cleaner so it gets attached properly on there. Make sure you haven't got any polish or anything on it. But yeah, that is sitting on there perfectly now. You just need to clean it off afterwards. Yeah, spot on. That's looking good. Right, so now we got left the rear one, so let's warm that up as well. That's already started to come undone. Lovely, that will do. That's warm enough. Lovely. As you can see, obviously this hasn't been painted. It had original badge on this, so this is just the normal stuff that you're gonna get, guys. Like I said, the front bumper unfortunately wasn't done as well, so this will come off a lot easier, as you can see on the original bodywork. So what I have to do is just wipe all this stuff off with the brake cleaner, and job done. Right, so as you can see, all I used was a bit of the paper and the brake cleaner, and it removed all of the glue. So like I said, when it's the original one, it's fine, it's a lot easier. So obviously try it on, sitting well in there. Now you're ready obviously to peel this off and stick it on there. So Here we are, that's that off. Lovely. That's that done. Right, here we are. Nice easy upgrade, looking great. So like I said, obviously probably had to remove my chrome badges at the back as well, the 2 litre TDI and Scirocco. Either remove them or get the black ones. I'll see what I'm going to do about that. But yeah, easy upgrade, looking good. And like I said, the issue was the bonnet there because it wasn't original paint and someone reused the original badge with some glue that obviously messed up the bodywork. But luckily enough, it was enough to cover it with the badge, so I can't see any imperfections now, so that's good. Obviously the rear ones you've seen come off a lot easier because it was the genuine paint and obviously the original badge. Just a bit of a hit, it pops off and clean with a bit of paper and brake cleaner, and it's as easy as that. So yeah, definitely a nice easy upgrade, making it look better now as well. Sorry the car is a bit dirty. I did wash it and cleaned it yesterday, but it has been pouring non-stop today, that's why I shut the doors. But yeah, like I said, if you enjoyed the video, give us a comment below, give us a like, subscribe as well, and you can share it with your friends because like I say, it will be the same on the Golf, Tiguan's and lots of other VWs. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you soon. Bye!